Hello everybody, it's me, Cara, and today I'm going to be doing the shotgun challenge. This is going to be super fun. I have my big box of shotguns. There's over 8,600. Kidding, there's over 6,000 and... Okay, so I'm gonna actually, I got a shotgun.
Right.
My shotgun.
Steady. You just create okay, and it comes up. So it does.
My shotguns are shaken.
How come?
Because I had them in the bath.
What?
Because I had them in the bath. Okay, anyway, we'll just forget about it. Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
You might hear a few noises today because the mans are coming to put in our sky on our
Where's your bow car?
television. Okay, you can't even see the TV. Right there. My big finger. So yeah. We're getting in Virgin. Yeah.
Sky. Let's go.
No, we're getting in sky, yeah. And as you hear noises, dun. Yeah, because this other box would not work for us, and I smashed my iPod, and my ma's gonna kill me.